Well, it's Saturday morning here in Trinidad and Tobago, and I'm super excited as usual to bring this amazing opportunity to you all, right? It's called Shao Bank, a universal banking system where you could invest one of the supported crypto online, and there's a lot of ways you could earn currently, guys, right? And one of the main ways is through the bond contracts. You have the deposit options. You have the token that they recently introduced publicly called Keycoin under the what's known as KCN. And you could earn through their commissions as well through the affiliate program. They have their own personal token too, which you get rewarded and doing promotional tasks and stuff like that. So there's a lot of ways you could earn with Shao Bank. They have originally been registered in 2022 in Hong Kong there. Not so long after they got regulated in the UK. Now they are available over 30 plus different languages. And I was like most people coming into the crypto space a bit skeptical because of my experiences in the past. And it wasn't a nice experience, but a learning one, I should say, right? So I got involved with Shao Bank in March 2023, and I grew with the platform, guys. I took a risk because at the end of the day, you had to take a little risk coming into a platform if you want to see progress, right? And anything you're doing in life, you want to experience new results, you had to definitely try something new. So again, my name is Simeon. I'm your host, your presenter today, and all the way from Trinidad. And the opportunity have been working for me. Literally every week I do withdrawals. We get withdrawals less than 24 hours from the platform, and platform is working really great. We have seen so many growth happen within Shao Bank. They have global meetings taking place. Different countries having presentations every single day. Presentation is available under a different language. We have seen a lot of sponsorship programs rolled out with Shao Bank, and a lot of exciting activities is happening currently, guys. Right now in South Africa, they think they're preparing to have an event. And some of the other countries too, they organizing to have certain events. And Shao Bank, they originally started with the bonds and they got into Bitcoin mining, Bitcoin ETFs, and lately chip innovation technology as well. So all these are areas they utilize to bring in profits into the organization to pay us out as clients. Right. With that being said, guys, I really am thankful for you taking the time coming out today to hear how you could get involved with this opportunity with no monthly fee and a low startup cost. Right. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to share my screen. And before I go into the actual presentation here, I just want you all to know that this is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. This is me taking a risk back in 2023, right? Although I had negative experiences with cryptocurrencies, I still took a chance to get involved because I know a lot of corporations and companies utilize the forex world, the cryptocurrency world to bring in profits into the organization and even stocks and bonds, digital assets on the whole. So that's why I got involved, guys, with Shao Bank, and I grew with the platform. Again, I've seen so many things happening in within the platform in terms of growth. And I'm just here to share my journey and my experience with you. By no way I'm forcing anyone to join something that you do not understand. There are risks involved. Always invest money into any business you go into that you could afford to lose it, right? And you don't ever go in with rent money, emergency money, and money that you need right away. So you think of it as a long-term profitable investment opportunity. Once you're thinking of getting involved with Shao Bank, always do your research, guys. Don't just take my word for it. Go and do your own due diligence. Go to the website. It's available to everyone publicly. You could go to shaobank.com, check out the transparent information. I'll briefly be touching on some of the main points, and that is available to the public. And hopefully that should bring some transparency to you. So just keep that in mind as well. And also that I do not manage any one funds. I am just an investor into the platform. I took the risk and I am only hoping for the best as well. So So far, Shao Bank have been stable and they are paying guys, which is most important, right? And this opportunity, Shao Bank is allowing us to invest. They are practically doing the work for us and giving us daily returns. So in this way, we don't have to pay no kind of subscription fee. We don't have to fund our own trading account and stuff like that. Everything is being handled within the platform. So Shao Bank, in a nutshell, is a universal banking system that operates globally, 100% online. They offer services such as bond contract services, deposit options, and credit options, right? Credit is simply like a loan because traditionally speaking, all banks give out loans, just Shao Bank decide to do it through cryptocurrencies, right? So the platform only accepts crypto as an investment method, not your Trinidad dollars. Keep that in mind. So what we just do in Trinidad, if people need to come in the platform, they look for a supplier or someone who have the cryptocurrency to sell and they purchase it for the local currency to get involved with the platform. And that's how we sell our cash to here in Trinidad. We sell the crypto for TT. I know of some people talking about certain cards and stuff available where you could send the crypto to and withdraw it to an ATM. I had a not so nice experience utilizing one of that service. The fees was, I mean, crazy. The fees was really high. So I didn't really go that direction, right? So here we go, guys. We're gonna touch quickly on the information on who they are, right? Who is the person behind Shao Bank, Mr. Yang Shao. He is the bank founder. He's the person who made it possible for us to invest into this opportunity. And we are very thankful for him because the platform has been working since 2022, guys. Right? Today is the 27th of the 4th, 2024. I've seen so much growth happen within my account. I'm still amazed up to this day, guys. Right. And this is something I've been telling people out there as well. You don't need to join 5, 6, 7, 8 different platforms. You just need one working opportunity and you grow with that opportunity. That's the only way you would be profitable, right? Because I have tried in the past joining multiple platforms and many of them scam and the rug pull, stole our money. And before you know it, the one platform that was working, that is the one that you're dependent on because you lose with the others. And guess what? You're in a minor state, right? So moving forward, always look at your information, make sure you understand the transparency and you get involved, guys, and you grow with the opportunity. So we're going to look at some of the information here under documentation with Shao Bank. They have all the legal documents available under who we are documentation. You would see the Hong Kong certificate number, the UK number, the LEI number as well. These are certificates required to do online transactions and to operate as a digital finance platform, a banking system, right? It's available on the website. You could go over to the roadmap and you would see a lot of accomplishments they have already obtained. And since the starting date back in 2022 till this current date, and they have this roadmap running all the way to 2031, right? So that's a good thing, guys. We could just pray and hope for the best because, you always work with a strategy coming into the opportunity, whether you do 70, 30, 50, 50. And most of you guys would know what I'm talking about there. Always try to secure your capital and let profits bring in profits for you, right? Generally speaking, in cryptocurrency opportunities. So here we go. On the roadmap, we have available on the website white paper. This is different presentations for different countries. You could check it out. It's actually a business plan. You could take a look at that. I just like doing my presentations a little different, a more practical approach, showing people how it's working for me, right? So under help and support, under who we are, you could reach out to Shao Bank support. There's an email address available, a physical address, and a number you could actually call. Under the same web page, you have a lot of short tutorials that could assist you as well in understanding how to do certain things within the platform. So you have all this information here available. And on the website, if you go under insurance and you go under banking, you would see Shao Bank financial report for 2022, and this will take me straight into the ecosystem of Shao Bank. They are surrounded by 4 to 5 corporations that contributes financially to this particular organization. Right, so you could check it out. You could go and download the financial report, take a look at the information there, make sure you understand, and you make a decision from there, right? So you have that banking information. If you go on to business, our affiliates, you would see their ecosystem corporations that is tied to Shauban. That's Global Future Enterprises, Go Insurance, Financial Partners, Belgian Global, and Universal Century. These are sites you could visit independently and check out the information as well. Financial Partners have over 35 years of experience, and we are really thankful to be part of this ecosystem as well, right? So remember, guys, in case Xiaoban goes into the red folder, the reason being that these corporations will contribute financially towards a Xiaoban. You have Go Insurance. It's an insurance company that is tied to Shao Bank as well. Technically speaking, they are saying that our money is insured. I cannot 100% guarantee you guys that. You would have to check it out. Make sure you understand, because I know generally speaking about the risk involved in crypto. You know, you always invest money that you could afford to lose at the end of the day. That's the baseline of it, right? So take a look at it. Once you understand that, you're good to go, right? Under digital banking, you have a lot of options available here. You have the popular option, and now it's called KeyCoin. It's actually a cryptocurrency token that was launched from Shao Bank, right? They started literally at 77.19 HKD, and that's like the 10th of April. You will see a representation of HKD, and not to be alarmed by that, the platform automatically converts that currency to the supported crypto, right? So they use that currency because it's represented in Hong Kong, the Hong Kong dollar. So here we go. This is 71.19 at the 10th of March. It's like Bitcoin, you're buying at a low, meaning when it now launch, and you wait till it increase in profits and price, I should say, and then you sell it to make a profit, right? So you have this Kai coin increase all the way currently to 240 HKD. That's above 25 USDT, guys. So persons who bought in, I was one of the persons that bought a couple coins on when it was low. So I sold it at a comfortable price because I needed some cash, you know. So I sold it, and I was very satisfied with the returns I got on selling that token. So if you guys hold any token and you want to earn some cash through this, it's available to sell. Again, wait till it increases to a good enough percentage that you are comfortable with, because that's how it works with mining cryptocurrency tokens. You have to wait till it increases in price. And the good thing about Xiaobang, they have their built-in exchange where you could actually sell this token within the exchange. So all these people here have Kai coin selling within the exchange, and you can literally buy it. And as you can see, it's way lower than the market price. And that's the trick about it, guys. When you're selling a token, you don't ever go and sell it on the market price. You go below. Currently, it's 248 HKD. And if you go to the exchange, so these guys want to get it sell, as you can see, it's 199. So people would prefer to buy the lower price and hold it, right? So I really, really like that idea that they're utilizing the tokens, the cryptocurrency token Kai coin, to bring in profits into the organization as well. So on to the main course of today's presentation. It's called the bonds contract, guys. And this is really, really nice stuff that Shao Bank is offering, you know, and the strategy that they have been using since day one is implementing different contracts based on the ecosystem companies. So we have financial partners contributed the FP series contract, which I'll briefly explain. All right, there's 8 contracts to choose from currently. And take note, everyone, because these contracts 4 days from now, it's not going to be available. And that's around month 10. All right. I think that's what the 30th of this month. It's going to stop on the sales. So you will have new contracts releasing next month. Once you like the opportunity, guys, you see it's so bringing value to you, take action, buy into one of these FP series contract. And what the good thing about these contract, you get daily returns coming back to you. And the minimum withdrawal is $7 from the platform. And with these FP series, you have 8 contracts to choose from. So we're going to dive in straight into each one of these contracts, and you could select any one of these crypto to make a deposit within the platform. Remember, guys, it's no monthly fees, and it's technically a low startup cost. It's 52 USDT. If you're from Trinidad, that's roughly, if you're buying the USDT, about 4 something TT, right? So that's enough to get you started. There's a lot of ways you could earn when you get started. And I'll touch a little further on that later on into the presentation. So you have FP1 paying 0.50% a day, 7 days a week for 4 years. Your minimum return on that is going to be weekly 14 HKD, $2 HKD daily. You're going to see HKD here, not to be alarmed. Remember, the platform converts that Hong Kong dollar automatically to the supported crypto. So you can see my balance here, I have 1459 HKD. If I go to the information tab, you would see the different currencies here representing the amount available, right? Under USDT, USD, ETH, and BTC as well. So really, really cool contract here. If you want to come in, you're considering your risk and stuff, definitely consider the FP1. We have the FP2 paying 0.60% a day, 7 days a week for 4 years. It's a fixed return you receive, and the amount to get started with that is 256 40 USDT. You would see me demonstrating a lot on the USDT TRC20 because we use that quite a lot in Trinidad, as a popular crypto token to invest into the platform. However, you could choose any one of these crypto. It's not limited to the USDT. If you have Bitcoin, that will work as well. So that's the FP2. You could see now the FP3. It's 3 years. You get 0.70% a day, 7 days a week. And the minimum invested amount, I round it off to 1026 USDT. Your weekly earnings is 392 HKD. And that's roughly about 50 USDT, about 50 USDT a week on the FP3. You have the FP4. If you're looking at close to that 1%, you have the 0.90% paying on daily, 7 days a week for 3 years. The minimum invested amount is 5128 USDT. You get a weekly earnings of 2520 HKD. Obviously, if you're going to the higher contracts, you're going to get a higher percentage and a shorter maturity date, right? We have the FP5 now. They get a 1.1%, which is really amazing. 7 days a week for 2 years. The minimum invested amount is 10,256 USDT. Your weekly earnings is 6,160 HKD. So the good thing about Shao Bank, I know a lot of people like to reinvest, like to compound and stuff like that. You have the control to do what you want with your returns. You could choose to open other contracts. There you could have multiple contracts in your account working, and you could choose to withdraw, right? That's a good thing. So which means you have more control over your finances in Shao Bank. All right, so every time you reach like $52 or 400 HKD in your balance, you could open a contract. You just select Pay with balance. It's going to activate a contract under your bonds history here. So that's the FP5 we talk about here. We have the FP6 that pays 1.3% a day, 7 days a week for 2 years now. And the minimum invested into the USDT is 25,640. You get a weekly of 18,200 HKD. Again, there's a lot of things you could do with that. So obviously, if you come with a higher amount, you could build your way faster into the platform, and you could actually activate multiple contracts, getting more returns coming back to you. So these investments here, is no marketing whatsoever, guys. You just want to earn within the platform. This is what you have to be looking um, at with the bond series contract. So you have the FB7 here that pays 1.5% a day, 7 days a week now for 1 year. The minimum invested amount is 51,280 USDT. You get weekly 42,000 each KD. Right? By far, one of the best contracts in the platform. It's the FB8. You get 2% a day, 7 days a week for 1 year again, 102,560 USDT. Right. So really, really nice options available with the bond contracts. It's available for everyone to invest into those contracts. If you're looking for other way to earn within the platform just by investing, there's a deposit option available. The minimum is 1,026 USDT, minimum locked-in period for 1 year. And after that year, you get 11.5% growth, right? Keep that in mind as well. So a lot of people are saying, well, why should I take the deposit when I have the bond contracts paying way better percentages? Shao Bank have a unique option available. It's called the loan options, better known as credits. In order to get qualified to apply for one of these options here, you had to partake in all the products within the platform, and that's to represent the bonds and also the deposit option. When you start doing that now, you would have something called a credit rating score that increases when it reaches a certain figure. You now will be able to apply for a loan within the platform. It's categorized in 3 areas. You have the mortgage loan where Shao Bank charge 9% interest for the year. You have the consumer loan, they charge 16.5% for the year. And a business loan, they charge 14.5% for the year. With these loan options, guys, you could do a lot of things. You could open your own business, you could travel, you could buy a property, a lot of things you could do with a loan. Really, really cool option available from Shao Bank. And I'm just going to touch quickly on some of the additional features within the account. Once you have a verified account, it's free to sign up. You always reach back out to the person who invited you to the call. They will send you a link. You sign up. You get KYC, which is to help protect your account, I should say, through identity. Once you do that, you get a verified account. You get a Shao card. This card is where your returns will be reflected on, and you'll get a CVC code, which is your personal PIN. Don't share that with anyone. And you could use this card in Hong Kong and Singapore. Currently, they are working on getting more countries available to have this card operating. So you have the refill balance option here, where you could actually top up your account. So let's say you want to buy one of the FB1, but you only have 30 USDT. You have the option of putting the balance within your account, right? Topping up. So the minimum you could use this top-up service is $1.28 USDT, like a savings account within the platform. You could put your money there and they don't charge you a monthly fee, like a rent fee, like what the banks do. They charge you a savings account fee or a commercial account. With Shao Bank, you could store your crypto here and keep it and let it build. So this is a real nice way, because even if you want to mine certain cryptocurrencies, I would say it's an option to consider, to put the crypto here to maintain a fixed price to put it on, and you try to withdraw it at a high. So that's just a little tip out there as well. You have the withdraw option here where they charge $6.09 minimum USDT. They do charge 4.9% commission on the withdrawal. So yeah, remember that, guys. They do charge at 4.9%. You have the option of choosing any one of the crypto available to do your withdrawal. Popular Bitcoin, Solana. You have the USDT BP20. They charge 0% commission. So you could consider that for the Binance users. A really nice feature here is called the transfer feature. With this feature here, you could literally transfer money from one account to the next account, zero commission being charged and instantly reflected on the customer's account within Shao Bank, right? So really, really cool way to move your money to get away from fees. Because if you withdraw USDT to your Exodus wallet, for example, you have to have TRX to move it, right? So you could actually use this to to move some money, cryptocurrency related, right? So really, really cool features there. We want to go straight into the marketing side. And this is totally optional. Remember, you had to test the product, you had to see how it's working for yourself, and then you're sharing your journey. And that's what I'm doing here, guys. I'm sharing my journey here. Um, uh, with these type of marketing strategies that they have, you could earn 2 to 3 ways in the marketing aspects with Xiaoban. Right? It's really, really simple, guys. It's working for you. You just share the opportunity with somebody. And once you have an active contract with your sign up link, you get 7% on your first level instantly to your account. Apart from that, you get tokens as well. With these tokens, you have the option of buying into the different levels a one-time purchase. It's 10 levels deep into the marketing. They pay different percentages on each level. However, it's not restricted to use the tokens here only. You could use your tokens to buy cases within Shao's marketplace. Now, with these cases, you earn cash every day to your account. So we're going to demonstrate an example today. We're going to buy a common case, right? They're telling us we are getting 4 to 40 HKD. As you can see, my current balance right now, we're going to buy this case, hit buy now. And I earned 13 HKD on today's purchase. So you could see it increases in value there. Every day, I could buy that case, guys, and get 4 to 40 HKD on the common. Once I reach 100,000 into the T balance, I could participate into the rare case and earn even more money instantly. There's the immortal case available where you could earn a lot as well with that particular case. With that being said, let me know if you guys have any questions. You could just let me know in the chat box quickly because I'm coming to end with today's presentation. Once you guys are interested in the opportunity, you simply reach back out to the person who invited you to the call. Tell them you would like their referral link, sign up link, and they will guide you accordingly. So guys, 2 new features again added on to Xiaobank at KCN Wallet, KCN Exchange. Check it out. It's a way to sell the Kai coin and even buy the Kai coin and hold it. All right. With that being said, I'm really, really grateful you all took the time to come on today to hear what Xiaobank is about. And let me just check the chat box here quickly. Yeah, okay, so I see Videsh asking a question. How do you get the token coins? Which one, the Kai coin or the tokens to buy the cases? The T balance. Yeah, bro. So when you buy a contract, you receive, if you have first sign up within the organization, you get an airdrop of 999 as well. And when you start a market and have active bond contracts using your referral link, you also get tokens. So you're going to get a lot of tokens quickly accumulated because 1 HKD is 12 tokens. With that being said, have a great day. I will see you all in the inside, right? So reach back out to the person who invited you to the call.